Previously on This Old Outboard.
I'm as good as I'm gonna get right now. Let's give this puppy a shot. Just a little air bubble or something. Alright, let's give it a shot here. Jesus Christ. I just want to stay against the wind, because if anything happens, I don't have a trolling motor with me. And the wind can blow me back. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? Man, don't freaking tell me. Man, it's missing bad now. God damn it, man. Alright, so the other day when I took it for a quick spin, it ran great for, you know, just that little bit I ran it. You know, it's basically testing that transom to see if it, you know, was folding back on me. I mean, I didn't get it up any faster than that either. So let me check this frickin' timing again. You know, I've messed around with this thing so many times. All right, I haven't touched anything yet, but it's acting like I lost that cylinder again. I mean, this is nuts. 1 minute it's fine, the next minute pop, 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 pop. Hey, there it goes. I don't have a timing light. My timing light crapped out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm way down on my plate here on cam. Way down here. I don't like being way down there. That's what I did. The last thing I did was fool around with this freaking cable. That was the last thing I freaking did. Well, I fooled around with it again, and I think that's what's going on. I'm back to intermittent spark. See that right there? That's the butterfly getting closed. I've got my screw, idle speed screw, all the way out, so it's not having any stopping effect. And with those gears, there's play in those gears, and it'll start, you know, vibrating down and closes the butterfly all the way. So I need to screw that screw back in, but I've got to be, it has to be spark again. I mean, this is stupid. I don't know if I can friggin' deal with this again. Unbelievable, man, unbelievable. I was ready to rip this thing today. I'll take a few more looks at it and see what I can come up with, because it's just, at this point, I don't know. I'm all beat up. I don't know if I can squat any longer. Everything was so great, and now this. Well, there's the proof. Top plug, oily black burn, the bottom plug all clean. Again, compared to the top, I just wiped the top one off. I mean, unbelievable, man. Oh God, I don't know what to do. Well, put the plugs back in. Here's the bottom cylinder. Let's see what happens. Yeah. What's going on? All right, let me try the top one. Jesus, thank God, right? I don't know what plug I put back where. Maybe I found that plug out or something. All right, there's top. Let's see what happens, baby. This is just freaking me out now. Wow, that's weird. So now I'm having problems with the top, or is it that plug? This is too weird. There it goes, it just died out. Top cylinder dying out. Bottom is fantastic. Help, outboard gods. This can't be happening to me. That is weird. It almost sounded like it was running out of gas. Alright, swap the plugs. God bless America. And let's try the top one again first. Here we go. It's not the plugs, but it is kind of hopping and popping. Alright. Let's try the bottom now and see what the hell happens. Can't take it no more. Alright, here we go. Well, number 2 sounds much better than number 1, and I'm wondering if maybe my points on number 1, which were the points in number 2, because I did swap them, but nobody got to see that, because you saw the short version. Anyway, that's what it almost is going to sound like to me. Please, just, but it might be off a little bit after swapping them out. But I haven't had, you've seen this thing idling, and it's been fine. All right, let's go back to both again. So I'm guessing the plugs are fine. Shit, man. Well, I guess at this point I'm going to have to pull the flywheel off and see what's going on. It might be that condenser on that side, that's the original condenser. It's breaking down. Something happened between here and trying to go for a ride. Oh, jeezle peasel. So that's all I can do. I'm going to pop it off, take a quick look, see what condensers I have, and swap it out or do something. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. Well, it's real hard to tell, even out here in the sunlight, what they look like. Yeah, they do look like they have a little burnt spot. I guess I'm just going to have to take them out and see what the hell's going on. Yeah, a little singed. This file really doesn't do much. It actually looks like the points are wearing out the file instead of the file wearing down the points. Alright, let me go spray them off. Whoa. Cleaner. That's all I can do. She's tightened down. Fire it up, see what the hell's going on. Let's see. Sounds better. Thanks for a ride, baby. Oh, Jesus.
Oh yeah, baby, next time on This Old Outboard.
Alright, she's back up and running, but I'm having an issue and it seems to be fuel related. Almost sounds like what happened with the 25 when I first got it on this boat.
Oh yeah, baby, you know the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.